Okay, we're going to go ahead and attempt to install the device on the water line. And again, we see that we have a short amount of distance here between this big nut, and then we have two different sizes here. I believe I have the 1/2 inch here and a 3/4 here, so I have a little bit of a different size, which is okay. Because remember, my claw can go from a 1/2 inch to 1 1/4 inches, so I'm good there. All right. So what we're going to want to do is, when you look at the device, it's thinner here than it is on that side. Okay, which means that this is where the lever is going to come up into this lever here. All right. You have this nut right here. This is what's going to go right onto that nut. That's going to center us. And then we're going to notice that I'm not going to have enough room, and I'll show you that adjustment. So what we're going to do is we're going to shut the water off. Okay, I'm going to get my little claws in on the lever here, right? But we see that I'm too tall. So what am I going to do? So what I could do is I can slide this, okay, down a little bit. Now, we're right on here, and all we do is clamp this down, okay? Simple as that. Okay, we clamp it down, okay? Then we go ahead and we take our outdoor plug, and we're going to simply just screw it in, and you can hear it getting some power. And then I've powered it obviously into an extension cord into my outlet in the garage. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to engage it, and you'll see it adjust. Okay, and we're going to hit it again. And the torque control, you can hear that torque control. And the unit is now set up. It's just that easy.